Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving to everyone, guys. So this week is the last week of November, so we officially are gonna be doing our weekly forex analysis for the week of November 22nd to the 26th. This coming Thursday is gonna be a holiday. Well, we're gonna celebrate Thursday and Friday as a national holiday to celebrate various dates here in the United States, same thing in Canada, Grenada, St. Lucia, and Liberia. It begins as a day of giving thanks and sacrifice for the blessing of the harvest and the preceding year. So we are gonna be celebrating Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone, guys. Once again, welcome to our weekly forex analysis for the week of November 22nd to the 26th, 2021, trading with our website TWEForexSystem.com, and this is Team with Urban here. So let's go. Let me show you what the market is gonna be doing this coming week. So today we are gonna go ahead and start, guys. Someone sent me a message, so Irvin, please, on the Thanksgiving week, can you please analyze EURUSD? And yes, sir, I did listen. I read your question. I forgot your name, but I just want to remind everyone, this coming week, the 22nd to the 26th, guys, there will be only 3 days of trading. So basically it's gonna be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Like I mentioned earlier, it is gonna be a national holiday here in the United States, so most likely the market will start being very slow. So enjoy this time, to have fun. Then Black Friday is coming. Go do some shopping. If you guys want me to do a Black Friday sale, please let me know in the comment below, and I will go ahead and give you 40% of our multiple time frame. 40% is a lot, so let me know. So basically you almost gonna get it for free, because anyway the system is pretty cheap already, so plus 40% is almost getting it for free. But there you go. Let's go. Let me show you what EURUSD is gonna be doing this coming week. Always pay attention what our multiple time frames doing in favor of our TWE sniper entry. Clearly is letting us know here that we are doing a what? It's telling us that we are doing a sell position. Sell is active. Look at that. Sell. So what is the market doing at this present time, guys? The market here is clearly coming in one direction, and that it is sell. So currently on Friday the market was still trending bearish. So what's my understanding for EURUSD, guys? EURUSD still has potential to keep dropping another 15-30 more pips. Most likely it's gonna come back and retest your previous multiple time frame in here. Then from here, yes, we are gonna be looking for a pullback, retesting your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Then from there, market will continue his origination trend, because here, look at what the dashboard is doing. Everything is letting us know the market is still bearish. So EURUSD is bearish. Guys, for you guys, I will be doing this Wednesday. I'm gonna do the before and after. So what I'm gonna be doing on Wednesday is I'm gonna show you the data that it does not exist here yet. So I'm gonna go over through all this data that you don't see here. So we're gonna find out what's going on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I will be taking off on Thursday and Friday. Then I will be giving you a December 1st video on over the weekend. So once again, guys, enjoy this time off with your family. Thank everyone, be kind, and so on. So Thursday, November 25th is gonna be Thanksgiving 2021 here in United States. Same thing in Canada, same thing in Grenada, St. Lucia, and Liberia as well. So those are gonna be those countries they're gonna be observing our Thanksgiving. Same thing with there. So the same celebration. All right, fair enough. All right, let's move forward to the next pair. The next pair that I have for everyone here, it is USD Canadian. What is USD Canadian doing? Pay close attention to your dashboard, guys. The dashboard is clearly giving you the answer here in our multiple time frame. Look at here, 1 hour is my favorite time and to enter on a market, guys. I just want to release that to the world. 1 hour is my favorite time, to be honest. I can use anything from 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes. That's it. From there, I stay on it. I don't like 5 minutes and 1 minute. Yeah, some other traders really love those time frames, but I really like 1 hour, 30 minutes, 50 minutes. But I've been trading 1 hour for the past 4 or 5 months already, and I have found a lot more success sticking to one particular time frame. This week I was showing to my group, you know, how I was making hundreds and hundreds and what? Woo! And hundreds of pips trading multiple time frames. They saw it. I usually don't like to brag and, you know, show them and all my profit and so on, but you know, I just wanted to show them this time. But I'm most likely I'm not like that anyway. So what is our multiple time frame doing here on USD Canadian? It's clearly letting us know the following. Look at here. Look at here. Multiple time green arrow letting us know that we're in a buy position. Multiple time frame is letting us know that we're in a buy position. Our Y multiple time frame is telling us we're in a buy position. Continuation of the buy. Our TWE sniper entries also confirming and saying, Irvin, we are in a buy position. Look at that trend. Where is that trend going? That trend is very clearly going in one direction. That direction right now still bullish. So Irvin, so if the trend here is bullish, then what is gonna happen next week? What is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday? Because Thursday and Friday market will be very slow anyway, right? Still gonna be open, but there will be not a lot of people are gonna be enjoying their time with their family, guys. So this is what I think the market will do the following week, guys. Market's still gonna be pushing, retesting your zero Fibonacci level, right? Still has potential to go another 15-20 more pips, and then from there market's gonna be doing a pullback, retesting this previous red multiple time frame arrow in here. Then market will continue as its origination trend, because the trend here it is bullish. All right, fair enough. So market here on this pair, it is bullish. All right, the next pair that I have for you guys, it is EURGBP. Let's go. Before I do show you EURGBP, guys, I want to remind everyone the following thing, guys. This is our Forex disclaimer here. Remember, I'm not giving you any signal. This is not signal whatsoever. Please, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. Most importantly about this disclaimer here is do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. The market is very risky, and you can also win huge. If you don't know how to trade, please ask. All the description or my links on my social media are on the description of this video, guys. I think I said it backward, but you can find all my social media in the description of this video and so on. If you want to join us, guys, this is the opportunity. Come and join us. We are going to be giving you 40% off this week for the rest of the November. So basically the multiple time frame, it doesn't cost that much anyway, but you're gonna be getting 40%. That's a pretty good deal Black Friday. So let's go, let's do it. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's go. All right, let's move on to our EURGBP. What is EURGBP doing? It's clearly telling you, look guys, a lot of traders are having a hard time. They go like, oh, I don't understand why EURGBP is in a sell. It should be in a buy position. No, stop that. Look, if your instructor or your coach, whatever you want to name it, is not telling you what the market is doing, real data. This is what I like. This is what I like to give you guys. You'll be seeing it. All this 2021, we has been very successful. Look at what I give you: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's what we do. All the traders, guys, they love to teach you what happened in back data. Oh, look at this sell position. If you would take this, you would make all this money here. Same thing in here, this and this. No, guys, don't get fooled, guys. Ask them, put them on the spot and say, tell me, what is the real trend doing? What is the market gonna do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday? If you cannot give me the answer, bye-bye. See you later. So let me tell you what's going on here. So what I'm seeing here is the multiple time frame is letting us know that we are in a sell position. Our multiple time frame TW sniper entry is telling us, Irving, we are in a sell position. Sorry. Our continuation of the sell position is clearly here. And look at that drop. The drop is clearly coming down, right? So that's what it's doing. Boom, boom, boom. Now, if you do pay attention to the dashboard, Everyone on the dashboard saying, Irvin, the market's still selling. Don't even look for a buy position yet. Don't do it, because the market here, it is selling. So what's my understanding? There is two possibility, guys, but I just want to let you know so you can see it for yourself. So market can do the fact, market will still selling, like I said, right? So market is gonna drop another probably 30 more pips. Then the market is gonna do a small pullback, retesting all this previous support and resistance in here. Look at all these touches in there. Boom, 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 boom. It's gonna touch that. What is gonna happen in here? We are gonna be looking for a green arrow. I'm sorry, a red arrow coming in this area here, saying, Irvin, we are gonna continue selling down, and then the market is here. I draw this level here, guys, because there is a previous multiple time frame in here. So market is gonna come to your level 0.83405. So hopefully this makes sense, guys. If you are getting confused, please let me know. Remember, if you want, share this video with any social media, guys. Let's help the world. If you don't have the multiple time frame, this week we are gonna be giving you 40% off. That's a pretty good damn deal, guys. Become a member. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join our multiple time frame so you can make your life a lot easier. And guys, don't pay for signal. I always say that signal's not good. You need to learn how to trade, guys. Learn how to trade. All right. All right, so what's going on with GBPUSD? GBP is another requested pair. Same thing with GBPJPY. So I'm giving you what you guys are requesting. You guys requested, then I will make a video on what you had asked for it. So what I'm seeing here on GBPUSD, guys, look at what the dashboard is telling us. The dashboard is giving you the answer. So Irvin, I'm in a sell position. What is multiple time frame doing? Oh, multiple time frame is selling. Our TW sniper entry is selling. Look at those sell, 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 sell. So what is the market gonna do this week? Market's gonna continue selling down, guys. Market is gonna still come back and retest this previous multiple time frame, and here something green arrow multiple time frame, green arrow multiple time frame, green arrow multiple time frame. So market still has potential to drop another 30-40 more pips. Then the market will do a small pullback. Pullback is gonna come back and retest previous high here, which it has still telling you based on the multiple time frame that has previously touching there between the 23 and the 38 Fibonacci level. Then the market will continue down. Why it will continue down? Because all this evidence here is telling us the trend here, it is only bearish. So market will continue as a bearish. Anyway, we are gonna review in this video on Wednesday, guys. I'm gonna record it before and after so you can see the after product, because right now there's no data whatsoever. That's what I love to give you here, and this is what we do best. So far this month of November, we have two trade going against us. That's a damn pretty good month, guys. Even if we lose this entire week, the week of Thanksgiving, we still win this month. So it's a damn pretty good month, to be honest. So let me know in the comment below. Let me see if I can show you some of the gains that we were showing to our group here. Look at here, guys. Let me show you this. You know what? Let me do it a different way. Hold on. Look at this one. Here's one. I shared this one with my group. Look at this one. AUD/USD. It has 519 pips in there. Let me show you a different one so you can see it, right? So you can see it. Let me see if I can show you another one. There's another trade that I show it to my team. Look at this one. This is what you're gonna be getting with multiple time frame, guys. This is the opportunity that you have to grab, you know, hundreds and hundreds of pips. This is another opportunity. This is GBPUSD. I told them, hey guys, look, this is 728 pips still. Then pretty good. Look at the day here. The day was on Friday. It was 11/19. Friday was 11/19, right? Today is the weekend. So there it is, guys. That's GBPUSD. It is on fire, guys. We are here trading with multiple time frame and so on. So there's a lot of great opportunity to do, guys, in the market. Is the question is, are you ready to make some money? Are you ready? Look, let me show you another thing, guys. Like I said, I don't like to brag, but hey, you need to see it sometime, because you need to make money, guys. Look at this one. Let me show you this. Look at this one. This is trading team with Irvin. Look at this one. Look at the profit in there. 3,453.25. That was on Friday, guys. That was Friday. Look, trading multiple time frame, EURUSD. Everything was selling. I just gave you EURUSD. Look at that, Team Irving. Look at that, $3,000 just on Friday. What was on Friday? 11.19. That's what it is, guys. Look at that. This is the opportunity. The question is, are you ready? Look, let's go to EURUSD, guys. I already give you GBPUSD. Then I give you GBPJPY. Look at this one. Here is EURUSD. This is where I make my $3,000. Look at this one, guys. Why I'm making money? Look at this one. Why are you not making money? Look, are you ready to make the money here? Look at that. $3,000 in here, guys. Look at that drop. The market's still dropping. I left only one position open, guys. And I collect my $3,000. So I left one position open, and most likely I will close it on Tuesday on the reversal here. Then we'll cash it out, put more position here, and rerun the position all over again. The question is, are you ready? So come and join us. You do have 40% this week, guys. This is the best opportunity you're gonna have. So come and join us, and I will see you on the other side. So let's go ahead and review GBPJPY. That's another requested pair that someone asked me. This is very similar. Please close attention to your dashboard. Dashboard is telling us, Irving, we are selling. What are you gonna do it? That is true. Market here is selling. What is multiple time frame letting us know? Look at this one. Sell. TWE sell. Look at the sell. Sell. One thing that you need to remember in here, guys, if the trend is selling, only look for sales. Only become one style trader, guys. If you don't know how to trade this pullback, this is a pullback, more pullback, and right now the market is getting ready for a pullback. If you don't know how to trade pullback, just don't do it. Only trade the trend that you need to be trading. So in here, clearly the market is letting us know, Irving, we are selling, right? So all I can say, guys, market still accurate, still selling. So look at that sell there. So I would say the market still has potential to retest your 78.6 Fibonacci line. Why? Because there is previous support and resistance in this area here. Look at all those touches. Boom, 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 boom. So market still has potential to come back and retest that 78.6 Fibonacci level. From there, market will do a small retracement. This is considered a pullback. So market is gonna do a pullback. It's giving you a signal here. Hey, I'm getting ready for a pullback. But look at your 1 hour. Your 1 hour is still selling, because like I said, market is still selling here. The pullback is gonna retrace, and then I will expecting to see a red arrow right at this area here. Then I will put a position here, and then what is gonna happen? Market will be continue dropping down. So that is a phenomenal sell position that you are gonna be seeing, guys. So once again, we are running a 40% discount this week, guys. So make sure you do come and join us. Make sure you don't trade any money you cannot afford to lose, guys. This business better risk it. And today we are celebrating our Thanksgiving week, and we are doing our Forex weekly analysis. Remember, this is for the week of November 22nd to the 26th, 2021, trading with our TWEForexSystem.com. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching our weekly Forex analysis, and let's get plus 680 pips on this coming week. Let's go, guys. So thank you. God bless you. God bless the world. God bless your family, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States, and stay safe. So I will see you guys on Tuesday on our live session. Thank you, guys. God bless.